Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this simple shell stitch fingerless gloves for kids. You can also make this pattern for adult size as well because it's simple and beginner friendly. So friends, for this project, I am using a 4mm steel crochet hook and a very thin cotton yarn because I am making this for kids, but you can also make this for adults and you can use regular crochet yarn and hook size. So after making the slip knot, make your base chain according to the wrist size you want. So I am going to make 9 base chain for my project, but you can also make more chains if you want a bigger size. So after completing your base chain, go into the second chain from the hook and pull the yarn, then pull through 2 loops to make your first single crochet stitch. Now go into the second chain, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make single crochet 2. Now go into the third chain, repeat the same pattern and make single crochet 3 and complete total 8 single crochet stitches. After completing 8 single crochet stitches for the second row, turn your work, make chain 1, go into the very first stitch, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make your first single crochet stitch. Now go into the second stitch, repeat the same pattern and make single crochet 2, into the third single crochet 3 and complete total of 8 single crochet stitches again for second row. Now after completing 8, turn your work, make chain 1, go into the very first single crochet stitch, pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops to make single crochet 1, into the next single crochet 2, into the next single crochet 3 and complete 8 single crochet stitches and repeat this row again and again until you reach the desired size of wrist. Make this strap. I am going to make 30 rows for my strap. So after completing your strap, now we are going to join these two sides together. So to join these two sides, we are going to make slip stitch, but you can also make single crochet stitch or you can join this with the help of needle, whichever method you like to do, you can do it. So go through this first single crochet stitch, pull the yarn and make a slip stitch. Now go through this second stitch and make a slip stitch. Now go into this third stitch of both sides and make a slip stitch. Then go into the fourth stitch of both sides and make a slip stitch and repeat this same pattern and complete this strap. After joining the whole strap, we are going to start our upper part. So I have joined this strap with the help of slip stitch. Now we are going to start our shell stitch. So first of all, we are going to make a single crochet stitch and then we are going to make our shell stitch pattern until we reach the thumb starting side. So first of all make a chain 1 and then go into this first row of single crochet, go into this side edge and make a single crochet stitch, then go into the second row side edge and make single crochet 2, then go into this third row side edge and make single crochet 3, then go into this fourth row side edge and make single crochet 4. Take the starting yarn tail between your stitches and then go into the next row side edge and make single crochet stitch. So we are having total of 30 rows, so we will have total of 30 stitches in the end. So after completing your stitches according to the size you are working for, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch and then start your shell stitch row. Make chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Then wrap the yarn, go into the same single crochet stitch, pull the yarn, then pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops. This is our double crochet 2 after chain 3. Now make chain 1, wrap the yarn again, go into the same stitch and make 2 more double crochet stitches, double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the same. So this is the shell stitch pattern, 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Now wrap the yarn, skip 2 single crochet stitches, go into the third single crochet stitch here and make double crochet 1 into the same double crochet 2, make chain 1, go into the same and make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2. So this is our second shell stitch. I will show you one more time. Skip 2 single crochet stitches, go into the third one and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1 and double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the same. So this is very simple and easy pattern because I am having 30 single crochet stitches, so that's why I will have 10 shell stitches for my first row. So after completing, make a slip stitch into the top of chain 3 to finish this row. To start your next row, make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch and then make a slip stitch into this chain 1 space as well, because we are going to start our row from this chain 1 space. So always make slip stitches and come into this chain 1 space and start your row with chain 3, which is counted as our first double crochet. Then make our second double crochet stitch and chain 1, go into the same chain 1 space again and make 2 more double crochet stitches for our shell stitch. So this is our first shell stitch of second row. Now go into the next second shell, chain 1 space and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, double crochet 1 and double crochet 2. Now repeat this till the end of the row and then make few more rows until we reach the starting thumb edge. So I have completed total 5 rows. So now we are going to skip 2 shell stitches for our thumb. So I will tell you, I have made this first shell stitch here, then I have skipped second and third shell stitches, and then I have completed the 6th row like this. To take this slip stitch side to the inner side of our hand. So for this side we are going to skip last 2 shell stitches. I hope you can easily understand my point. So now for this 6th row, make chain 3, make double crochet 2, then make chain 1, go into the same chain 1 space and make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the same, and skip last 2 stitches and complete the entire row. After completing 8 shell stitches, skip these last 2 stitches and go into the top of chain 3 and make a slip stitch. Now make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch, make a slip stitch into the next chain 1 space and then make chain 3, which is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Then make double crochet 2, chain 1 and again double crochet 1 and double crochet 2. Now complete 3 rows. After completing these 3 rows, into our last row I am going to change the yarn color. So go into this chain 1 space and make a slip stitch with the help of second color yarn. After making a slip stitch, take the first color yarn and tie this first color yarn, and then simply start your last row with chain 3, go into the same chain 1 space again and repeat the same pattern of double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet into the same chain 1 space. Now repeat this till the end of the row. So after completing this, make a slip stitch to the top of chain 3 and pull the yarn, cut the extra yarn and weave this extra yarn with the help of needle to some backside stitches. So go into this second double crochet stitch and take the yarn to the back side, then go into the any loop of back side and first of all make a knot to secure your work so that your work may not lose. After making a knot, now weave this extra yarn and do some back side stitches with the help of needle like this, as you can see in the video. I have weaved the previous row yarn in the same method, so you can also weave all the extra yarn by repeating the same pattern as I am going to show you in this. yarn end, so cut the extra yarn. Now our fingerless glove is ready. We are going to join our bow to this side. So I am making chain 16 for my project, and I am going to work into the back loop of our chain. Don't go into the regular loops, go into the back loop of our second chain from the hook, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make your first single crochet stitch. Now go into the second chain back loop or back ridge and make single crochet 2. Go into the third one and make single crochet 3. Go into the third one and make single crochet 3. Go into the fourth one and make single crochet 4. You can see a very fine chain loop in the base, and complete 15 single crochet stitches. Now make chain 1, turn your work and make chain 1. Go into the first single crochet stitch and make single crochet 1. Into the next single crochet 2. Into the next single crochet 3. Into the next single crochet 4. So repeat the same pattern till the end of the row and complete total of 6 rows by repeating the same pattern with 15 single crochet stitches. So after completing the whole patch, with the help of needle, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and go into this 7th and middle single crochet stitch and go through these stitches upside down like this, as you can see, with the help of needle. And pull the yarn. Then first of all make a knot here with the help of this yarn. After making knots, now you can wrap these 2 yarn into the middle like this. I will show you with one end. So simply wrap this yarn few times, and after wrapping, with the help of these 2 yarns, after wrapping, make a knot and then go into this middle side, into the inner side, make slip knot and cut the extra yarn, and with the help of these 2 yarn of the ends, weave this bow to your strap of your wrist with the help of needle. So after weaving, here is the final look. So it's very simple and beginner friendly pattern which you can make for kids as well as for adults by repeating the same pattern. I hope you guys like this pattern, so must try.